JJ.A.C Tech Channel. ORICO 2.5 or 3.5-inch hard drive dock, unboxing and demonstration. Docking station for a 2.5 or 3.5-inch hard drive. The ORICO docking station supports USB 3.0 technology. Transfer speeds of up to 5 GB per second are achievable. No technical knowledge is required to use ORICO's docking station. The product is ready for use. The docking station is compatible with SATA 1, 2, and 3, as well as solid-state drives, SSD. It works with Windows, Mac, and Linux. Package contents: installation guide, USB cable, 12-volt DC power adapter, hard drive dock unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.